Okay, so the first thing that we noticed is we are unable to add a new project,
This
create
is it.
new task, or generate new documents.
So this is create project. This is not working. Add task. This is hidden here. The task, this bar is hidden under. This is the add task bar. It's not working. Yes. So yeah, that's basically it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, that's one of the issues,
That's one
but
of the
we are
issues.
going to get there.
Okay.
Okay. All right. The
What's
second
next?
thing is the settings menu is inaccessible. Doesn't work.
This
If
is
you
it.
click on settings, it doesn't work. You cannot check anything, profile, like nothing. It doesn't
It's
work.
not working. It's just like everything is like false. It's
Mm,
just like everything is false. It's not.
um, then the third thing is the dashboard is showing developer view only. So
This is
the
it.
link we have, it's almost like we're seeing developer view, and we want to see role based views.
Yes.
That's what we want to see.
Like if you're logging in as a project manager, it's taking you to your own layout. If you're logging in as a tester, it's tailoring it to the tester's use.
Mm, yeah. Then on the app, on the tool as well, we cannot edit project dependencies, risks, roadmap. We cannot add
Mhm.
any milestones.
Let me find out what that is.
Yeah, so basically it's functionality of the tool in itself.
Yes, this is it. We can't edit anything. I don't even know how they put this.
Yeah, that's true. Because you wanted to talk about the
Yes.
milestones and the dependencies, like
Then
the
I thought
layout of
that
it.
yes, talking about this, I feel like these are very, very important. These are very important things when it comes to the project management, and I just feel like it's just a lay aside. The way it's just dumped here, I feel like it should stand out more. For example, there was something we spoke about that we should have like a section for projects, just like you have in them Asana.
Mm.
Okay, this is project and yes, yes, this is
Yes,
like what happens, yes, yes. So what we were saying is that the way we have projects here now, we would have all the projects, whatever projects we're working on. If it's 5 projects, 6 projects, we'll just have it all lined up under, so it
it's
can be
like
collapsible.
collapsible.
You understand? So when you click on that project,
All
everything
the
comes out.
details.
All the details of that project comes out. It gives you the developer view. It gives you the project manager view, the testers view, and then we can also have reports, because well she will come to that, but then
Yes, exactly.
for the sake of this perspective now, we'll now have reports. And I feel like under the reports where we'll have our burn down, burn up, or velocity or whatever, we can also put all our dependencies and risk there as part of our reports,
Mm.
so that way everything stands out.
Mhm. Okay. Mm, mm,
Yeah.
mm. Okay. You can take it. Mm,
Yeah.
mm. Okay.
Yes. So,
Um.
what's the next thing?
So the fifth one is what we've kind of summarized, that many of the buttons there are not functional, so they are likely placeholders. The sixth one is the integrations.
Okay.
So on the tool, it has Jira Sync, Asana Sync, Lack Suite. They are not functional. But it was a conversation, I don't know if you remember, that we had where we're talking about integrations and API and all that. And what if we're doing it or not. Like, so I was actually talking about it in the meeting, like, oh, it should be possible and all that. But it's like when the tool was being built, that was kind of the idea of it to have. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Mm, mhm. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Lovely. The next one is scrolling issue, cannot see the top of the screen fully.
Yes. This one, I don't know. But there are some bars under that cannot be visible. This is overlapping. This taskbar here is overlapping the ones under. So I don't know. No matter how I try to scroll, it's not moving.
No, I don't know. Never seen it before.
Did you say Helen? Helen. Okay. Okay, because one Helen sent me a message today saying meeting has started, and I didn't respond. I just thought like she made a mistake. I don't know who this Helen is, who this meeting she was talking about. So Esther, I asked, okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Mm, okay. I think that works. So people can just go and draw it from there. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Oh, there's
Yes.
another thing. What else?
Yes. So we've kind of said dashboard, the
Mhm.
Kanban view not functional. There is
Okay, yes. Let
delay
me. I
during.
haven't showed him the
Okay.
Kanban view we talked about. I think he's on board, right? Let me see. Let me see here now. Okay. Ah, where is it now? Okay, I think it's
I think
Sprint
if you
board.
click on boards, yeah.
Okay, let me try Team. I don't understand what is going on.
I can jump and then maybe we can come back to it so that we don't.
Okay, okay then.
Yes. So Ben gave this one. It says delay
Okay, I
during
found it.
signing process.
I
Okay.
found it. So this is
Okay.
it. This is like the Kanban. This is to do in progress done. So you can't edit anything here. Mm. If you give view full board, it takes you back to project. So yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. I've noted it down. So the next thing is delay during signing process. That was someone's opinion that the it delayed during, yeah, delay during the signing process, like it takes long or something
When you're
like
trying
that
to sign in.
when you try to sign into the app. Maybe it's from Replit. I think he mentioned Replit, but yeah, he said the signing process was just quite long. Um, then repetition of buttons between the side and the top panel.
Here. You have boards, you have sprint board, you have roadmap, testing, test cases, collaboration team. They're more or less
Yeah. Mm, yeah. Yeah. Design. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. Okay. 404 page not found error when opening every tab, which we've seen already. Then no tab for reporting tools.
Yeah,
We've talked
we talked
about
about
it.
that. Mm.
Yeah, then the last one is not an issue. It was a suggestion to add, which is customizable dashboard templates for first time user guidance. So I don't know, Chima, if you're familiar with Trello, and if you're signing into Trello, it will ask you like for your role, like what you're trying to build, what project you are on, and then whatever you click on, you will see templates. So basically, people have, or Trello themselves have done templates that you could easily just click on, and then what you will do, you can edit it, you can customize it to how you want your project workflow or whatever to look like. So I was like, it would be a nice thing to have, because if, for example, it's my first time using the app, and I just want something that is like project management, or I'm even learning project management maybe, and I just want to improve myself. I'm learning from YouTube, whatever it is. And then I go to an app and I see that there are templates that I could use, and it's just easy. I don't have to build my project workflow from scratch. So I was like, oh, that might be a nice thing to have, because Trello, you see business templates, you see project managers, you see engineering templates, you even see HR. So HR, for example, you might see onboarding process, and it has broken it down into boards. And each board, you have cards, you could have checklists, you can move the board like how you have it on Kanban, something like that. Like, I think it would be a nice add, because it's one of the great. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Yep. That's all we have. Those are all the issues we noticed.
So yeah, that's it.
Okay.